A lot of people say they know JavaScript.
I know!
But knowing JavaScript syntax and understanding how JavaScript actually works are two very different things. If you can write JavaScript variables, functions, and loops, congratulations, you are not a beginner anymore. But being an intermediate JavaScript developer means something deeper than that. At the intermediate level, you start understanding what's happening under the hood in JavaScript, why your code behaves a certain way, why bugs happen, and how to fix them without guessing. An intermediate JavaScript developer is basically someone who writes predictable, debuggable, and scalable code. They can read and understand other people's code, they are comfortable with the asynchronous behaviors of JavaScript, and moreover, they are ready to move into frameworks like React or backend tools like Node.js. But this is also where many developers get stuck. They move forward without fully understanding the core behaviors of JavaScript. And that gap shows up later in the bugs they can explain and the code they cannot fully trust. This is exactly why we have designed this series. This series focuses on how JavaScript behaves, not just how it's written. Because knowing JavaScript is different from understanding it. So welcome to the Intermediate JavaScript series by hasabTech. Let's get into it.
Let's get to work.
Yeah!